Start the Mcr application. Log into the Mcr by entering valid user ID and password, then select the language you want to use in the application. Select to add new contract from the application menu options. The data can be entered manually or by scanning a barcode as shown next for MSISDN and ICCID fields. Continue entering the rest of the contract data. The date field can be selected from the calendar as shown. Continue entering the rest of the fields. Now, capture the customer photo using device camera. Add customer signature by writing on device screen. Capture customer fingerprint. Add any other documents that need to be captured, using device camera. Now, print the contract, using Wi-Fi printer or by connecting the printer to device USB. Close the finished contract. Print confirmation is displayed before closing, so that in case of printing failure, you can reprint. Use the option to send this new contract to back-end. Note that you need to be online at this stage. The outbox items count will be 0 after sending. Check server notification to follow up status report sent from server for your activities. And finally, select Logout to exit the application.
The contracts sent to backend need to be revised and approved to be stored in the system. The reviewer log into Documentum XCP2 to check for new contracts received from POS. The reviewer receives these contracts directly to his inbox. Select the contract that needs to be approved. Now, review the received contract information entered and captured by Mcr application at point of sale location. The data is grouped by tabs. You can also see the location in map where the data is captured. Note that the status of this contract is pending for approval. Now the reviewer need to take an action based on information received, either to accept or reject this contract. After accepting the contract, it will disappear from reviewer inbox and move to his manager inbox for second review. You still able to view this contract using search option if you have access to do that. Now, the manager will log in to check his inbox, review the contracts received from the reviewers. Use the out-of-the-box dashboards to monitor work progress or customize to meet your needs. In our case, it shows the time that contract takes at data entry, number of contract each POS sent, and number of contracts that still pending for approval. The manager approved the contract in his step. And since it is the last step at the workflow, the contract become approved. Finally, the contract gets approved and archived.